Hello and welcome everyone to our channel Basic ICT PNG. In this video we show you how to use the Superscript and Subscript commands in Microsoft Office Word 2019. Now, but before we proceed, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel, and let's start now. Alright, the Superscript and Subscript commands are found under the Home tab in the font group. So you come to Home tab, come down to the font group. The superscript is the command that has the x to the power of 2 icon, and the subscript command is the command with the icon that has x to the base 2. Alright, so these are the commands here that we will be working with. Alright, so here's an example. We'll just explain this by examples. Here's an example here for a superscript: 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 2, where 3 in the first part here is the superscript, and this 2 here as well, 3 to the power of 2, the 2 is the superscript. Alright, for a subscript, here's an example: the formula of water. The 2 in the formula of water here is the subscript. How do we apply these two? It's very easy. Let's do superscript first. We do the same equation up there. First of all, you just type everything down. So you type 23 plus 32 equals 17. All right. Now, let me just magnify this so that you can see. I select number 3 and apply superscript. So 23 into 2 to the power of 3. For 32, I select 2 and apply superscript to make it 3 to the power of 2. So this is how you apply superscript. For subscript, let's do this example here: H2O. I just type H2O and then I select number 2 and apply subscript, so it becomes the formula H2O. So this is how we use we use these two commands, superscript and subscript, in Microsoft Office Word 2019. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, and if you like to see more of this video, please comment or subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.